Well, you guys, I did it. New Year's Day. Got my workout in. So, starting the year off right. Yes, yes, yes. So, I went ahead and got my workout in. Now I'm ready to go home so I can chill the rest of the day. I'll talk to you guys later. Hey, you guys. We made it. 2025. Yes, yes, yes. Thank the Lord we made it. 2025. But I just wanted to come on here to say welcome back. I haven't posted a video in a long time, but I'm here to say I'm back at it. It's 2025. It's January the 1st, the first day of the new year. And I just wanted to come out here to say Happy New Year and to do a weigh-in. I did a weigh-in this morning. And it's not good, you guys, but it is what it is. So let's look at it. So you guys saw it. It's nothing to be proud of, but that's where I'm at. That's a starting point. And the sad part about it is, that's more than what my highest weight has been on record. My highest weight on record is 321. So as you just saw, that was 322.8. I know it's a little TMI, but you know, us women go through some things, and I'm going through it right now. So it is that time of the month. So that is why, that is reason for some of the, weight gain, because I am bloated. But no, we're not going to use that as an excuse. It is what it is. So that's my starting point. It's January the 1st, 2025. And it's only, far as weight, it's only down from here. So what I want to do is I want to do the rolling fast. And basically, I'm going to do the rolling 72. So it's 3 days, or you should say 72 hours of fasting. And then you eat on that one day, and then I'm going to rotate. So it's 3 days on the fast, 1 day off, 3 days on, 1 day off. So it's going to be 72 hours, but some days it's going to be a little more than 72 hours. So we're going to see how that goes. But I just like I said, I just wanted to come on here and say Happy New Year. I'm back to posting, and we'll see where we get to. And go ahead and subscribe. New Year, if you need to lose some weight just like me, or if you want to watch my journey, yeah, let's do this. Hit that subscribe button, the like button, and leave me a comment. And let's all be transparent. Everybody put what they weigh in the comments. I know it's a taboo. Sometimes, you weight is taboo. But we're here for each other. Go ahead and put it in the comment. And let's watch this weight melt away. So once again, I almost said happy Thanksgiving. But Happy New Year. And we got this. This is January the 1st, 2025. Until the next time, be safe out there.